excited to tell you about all the changes going on here at Synergy Wellness. Number one, we renovated the office from top to bottom. Number two, I added over $75,000 worth of equipment to help you, the patient, get more effective, faster results. One of those pieces of equipment is this table here. This is a spinal decompression table. This table not only decompresses discs, both herniated and bulge discs, in the lower back, but also in the neck. And it's got a whole computer system that allows me to pinpoint my treatments much more specifically and get better results faster. Then a fan favorite is this machine right here. This is a deep tissue massage machine. It's intense and it's really effective. We also added another laser, cold laser there for soft tissue injuries, tendonitis injuries, carpal tunnel syndrome. And we added a new foot scanner. That foot scanner helps get a more precise scan of the feet or the lack of arches in the feet. And then last but not least, the digital x-ray. This x-ray allows me to give you a copy right away, view the image right away, and also it's 30% less radiation. So I'm really excited to tell you about all these changes, show them to you, but we've got more changes coming up in 2018. So hope to see you in here soon.